Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Latoya. For those that are new, welcome, and for those that are already following me, thank you for sticking in. So today I'll be showing you guys on how to make mango soap. You guys can see that behind this my rice powder. I use a lot of rice powder in all my skincare. All the skincare products that I make, I put the rice powder because rice powder is very nice for your skin. It helps with uneven skin tone, it helps with dark patches, it helps with so today we're focusing on how to make the mango soap. So you need the pure soap. Pure soap is like this type of soaps. You can buy it in any store, you can buy it at pharmacies, you can go and see, you can find it anywhere. Let me just say like that. So take your soaps and cut them into smaller pieces. It must be a pure soap. Why pure soap? Because pure soap can be used in any skin type. If you have a sensitive skin, babies can use pure soap. If you have allergy, like let's say any type of allergies on your body, you can also use pure soap. Pure soap heals the skin, guys. So cut them into smaller pieces and then transfer them into a bowl. Once you transfer your pure soaps into a bowl, you must make sure that you melt this soap. So what I did to melt the soap, I boil hot water and put it in the bowl, and then I put this bowl to melt into the hot water. Do not otherwise it's gonna kill all the benefits of your soap. Just boil your water and then put your bowl into the so that it melts slowly. While my soap is melting, I'm busy cutting off my mango pulps. I love mango, guys. Mango is very good. It's also very good for collagen, if you don't know. So I cut off my mango pulps while the soap is melting. You know the benefits of mango. It helps with acne. It makes you look younger. It contains collagen. It helps with uneven skin tone. It helps with dry skin. It helps with hyperpigmentation. It's actually very good for your skin. You people that grows in countries with a lot of mangoes, do not ignore. You can even make a little mango paste by even smashing your mango and then put it on your face and rinse it off. So once I'm done cutting my pulp, I try to smash it. You can pound it or you can put it in a blender, whatever way you want to do it. So but in this case I'm just pounding it like that because I don't have a blender right now. You pound it until it's nicely smoothly, until it becomes smooth the way you see it here on the video. So then you take your melted soap and transfer your pulp, your mango pulp into the soap. Like you transfer your mango pulp into the soap and then start stirring it very well. And also, if this soap can be used to all skin type, everybody can use. You can be white, black, yellow, green. You can use this soap because it's actually very good for sensitive skin. It also, kids of all age can use this soap. It's very good for babies with those allergies on the skin. Babes, you can also wash your baby's hair with this soap. It's actually a very good soap. So you transfer your pulp into your soap and then try to stir it nicely until it's well blended. If you have a sticky blender, instead of doing this method, you can take your sticky blender and then mix it very well until you see the color of the soap changes to yellow gold or orangish kind of color. That means that the soap is blended very well. The mango pulp is blended very well into the soap. So then if you are not happy, you can also take the sticky blender and then just stir it nicely for faster results, but I took my time because I wanted it to be done naturally. After blending, you take your preservatives. Guys, always use preservatives because remember, this soap contains water in the sense whereby because of the mango that we use. Mango contains water doesn't last longer. If you don't put preservatives, it's gonna grow some molds. So that's why you need to put preservative to preserve your products, to avoid molds growing into your soap. You can also put vitamin E oil as an antioxidant, but I didn't have vitamin E oil, so I put my spearmint, or you can put any essential oil of your choice like tea tree, lemon oil, whatever you have. But this one is not for preserving, it's just for the aroma, for nice aroma, for a nice smell. Also because spearmint also is beneficial to your skin. Let's say if you have pimples, acne, in this case try to put tea tree essential oil instead of putting spearmint essential oil. So after mixing very well, transfer this soap into a mold. I love this type of mold. Literally all my soaps that I make for my business, I use this type of mold because it comes out very smoothly, nice shape. You don't need to cut a lot, you don't need to shape a lot, you don't need to correct the soap a lot. So once you transfer it there, leave it to get dry so that then you can use the soap. So if you don't have any preservative, don't make a lot of soaps, just make a small quantity of the soaps, and then it can last up to, let me say, a month. You can use it for a month because the pure soap we use contain already the preservative and antioxidant, which is vitamin E oil. So if you don't have preservative, use it only for a month, and then after that you must use and you must make another soap. So here the soap is already dry, so you remove it from your mold and the soap is ready to be used. It's easy peasy. You can do this and you can even sell it for yourself. You can give it to your sisters, to your mother, to your grandmother, because it's also very nice for wrinkles, for stretch marks. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and always follow and share all the videos that I share with you guys. It's easy. You can also sell this soap if you put a preservative and vitamin E oil. Otherwise, see you guys on the next video. Bye.